14 Penhale Drive, an exceptional residence nestled in Humber Heights, one of Toronto's most coveted neighborhoods. Known for its scenic ravine, mature trees, and quiet charm, this exclusive Etobicoke enclave offers a rare blend of privacy and prestige. I am Callie Byer with Hammond International Properties, and I am so excited to take you through this timeless and one-of-a-kind home. Let's begin. Located just minutes away from top-rated schools, world-class golf courses, boutique shopping, and Toronto Pearson Airport, this custom-built, builder's-own estate is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, offering the ultimate in luxury family living. Thank you for joining me at 14 Penhale Drive, a rare offering that embodies elegance, comfort, and the finest in Toronto luxury real estate. To schedule your private showing or to learn more, feel free to contact me directly. Thank you for watching, and as always, a world of magnificence awaits.